In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and resize charts on Tradingview. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can apply it right away. First, make sure you have a chart open. If you are on the Tradingview homepage, open the charts workspace so you can follow along. To quickly bring your view back to a clean, centered perspective, use the Reset Chart View command. Move your mouse over the main chart area. Then right-click anywhere on the chart background to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Reset Chart View. Instantly, the price action snaps back to the center. Your zoom level is corrected, and any drifting you caused by scrolling or zooming is cleared. This is especially helpful after you've panned far away from the current price or zoomed in so much that you've lost track of the broader context. It's non-destructive, meaning it won't delete drawings, indicators, or alerts. It only resets what you see and how it's framed. If you don't see the option at first, make sure you are right-clicking on an empty part of the chart grid rather than directly on a drawing or indicator label. Then, try again. Next, let's resize your chart areas so the layout fits the way you work. Hover your cursor over the border between two chart panels until it changes to a double-sided arrow. This border can be between multiple charts in a split layout or between the main price chart and an indicator panel below it. Click and hold that border, then drag to adjust the size. Pull up or down to give more or less space to an indicator. Or drag left or right to widen or narrow a chart in a multi-chart setup. Release the mouse to set the new proportions. This lets you emphasize what matters most at the moment, like expanding the time frame you are analyzing or giving a small comparison chart a bit more room. If the resizing feels jumpy, move the cursor slightly slower along the border to make fine adjustments. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.